Mistplay pays you only for playing mobile games, while Freecash pays you for completing a mix of offers, surveys, app trials, and gaming tasks, which makes their monthly earnings potential come from very different systems. By the end, you'll understand how each platform generates rewards, what limits your monthly income in both, and which one typically has higher earning potential depending on how consistently you complete tasks. Mistplay works by rewarding you with points for playing selected mobile games. You install games from its list, play them, and earn rewards based on time spent and in-game progress. Your monthly earnings depend on how many active games are available, and how long those games keep giving reward progress. Freecash works as a task-based rewards platform. You earn by completing offers, answering surveys, downloading apps, and sometimes playing games with specific goals. Each task shows its payout before you start, so you always know what you're working toward. Mistplay's monthly earning limit is mostly controlled by game availability and how quickly you progress through each game's reward tiers. Once you finish the higher value stages of a game, the earning speed usually slows down. Freecash has a different limitation. Your monthly earnings depend on how many high-paying offers and surveys you qualify for, which can change daily. Some users spend more time filtering tasks than actually completing them. Mistplay is better for users who want passive-style earnings through entertainment. You just play games regularly and slowly build rewards over time without needing to constantly choose new tasks. Freecash is better for users who want control over their earnings. You can prioritize higher-paying offers and switch tasks when something stops being worth your time, but it requires more active decision-making. Another key difference is consistency. Mistplay earnings are usually steady but slow, because they depend on gameplay time. Freecash earnings can be faster but more unpredictable, because task availability and qualification rates change often. Time investment also matters. Mistplay requires longer gaming sessions to accumulate meaningful monthly rewards. Freecash can generate results in shorter bursts, but only when you find tasks that actually pay well for your time. Effort level is different too. Mistplay is simple once you start playing, while Freecash requires constant task selection, checking offers, and avoiding low-value activities to stay efficient. Risk is not financial on either platform, but Freecash carries time risk, because you can get disqualified from surveys after spending time on them without earning anything. Quick summary: Mistplay pays through consistent game time with slow but stable monthly growth. Freecash pays through task completion with higher potential but less predictable monthly results. If you want simple, low-effort gaming rewards, Mistplay is more stable. If you want higher monthly earning potential and don't mind managing tasks, Freecash usually has the edge. If this helped, like and subscribe for more direct comparison breakdowns like this.